How to fix Windows Update or installation error 0x80070002 in Windows 11. Windows Update is essential, but managing it doesn't have to be complicated. Let's walk through how to fix the common installation error 0x80070002 in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why this error happens. Error 0x80070002 is one of the most common Windows Update failures. It usually occurs when update files are missing or corrupted, when system files are damaged, or when services like Windows Update or cryptographic services malfunction. Even incorrect date and time settings can trigger this error. Fixing it is important because unresolved update failures can delay security patches and cause repeated installation attempts. First steps to fix the issue. Run the Windows Update troubleshooter. The simplest first step is to run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter. Open Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update, and select Run. The troubleshooter checks services, permissions, and registry-related issues, and it can often resolve the problem automatically. Reset Windows Update components. Resetting Windows Update components manually is the next option. Stopping and restarting update-related services and renaming key system folders forces Windows to rebuild fresh update files. Check date and time settings. You can also confirm your date and time settings. Open Settings, Time and Language, Date and Time. Toggle on Set Time Zone Automatically and Set Time Automatically if available. Click the Sync Now button under Additional Settings. Run DISM and SFC scans. If the error persists, run DISM and SFC commands from an elevated command prompt window. These tools repair corrupted system images and restore missing files. Search Command Prompt, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the following commands into the command prompt. Download and install the update manually. You can also bypass the update service entirely by downloading the failed update manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. For more information, check out our official blog post on fixing Windows Update error 0x80070002, linked in the description below.